Welcome to the all-new Jumpseller Analytics and Reports. Right from your overview dashboard, you get a stunning bird's-eye view of your store's top metrics. Want to dive deeper? Just click the corner icon on any metric, like paid orders, to instantly unlock interactive charts and complete data breakdowns for any date range. Back on the main page, scroll down to explore a wealth of insights. Track your conversion rates, spot trends over time, map out exactly where your buyers are coming from, and instantly see your best-selling products. Analyzing your store's total revenue is just as fast. Click, view, and understand your growth in seconds. Ready for even more power? Head over to the Reports tab. Here you'll find a massive library of pre-built reports for sales, customers, and products. But wait, it gets better. Let's build a custom one. With our custom report builder, you can unleash your data. Select your exact data types, pick the perfect chart style, like a sleek horizontal bar, and tweak your measures and filters. Watch your widget preview update in real time as you build. Managing your e-commerce data has never been this exciting.